Welcome back to Let's Clone. My name is Stephen French, and I should have included this in the last part because it's pretty fucking simple. Really easy. We're just gonna send that condor up the mountain with some fruit. Is it eggplant? Nah, it's a vegetable. Oh yeah, vegetable fruit. I think it's got seeds. Who fucking knows? And then start the game. Little intro sequence. Simple. Hopefully you guys figure it out on your own, and you can just skip this one. I don't know. So as always, our first step is going to be to create the sprites that we need. So we're going to have a sprite for Condor. You're going to find that in your, wow, get out of here, in your little asset folder. We've got Condor guy. We've got 3 cells at 34 by 18. Snag him. As always, I forget to erase the background color. And I think we actually want this guy facing left. At least I want him facing left. I think that's how the game had it, so we're going to choose that. Center him. Bam. I'm actually going to pop him in enemies. I don't know if he belongs in enemies, but we're going to put him in enemies. And then we're also going to do a sprite eggplant edit. It's not really a strip, but oh, where's mine? I've got it in Dropbox somewhere, so let's clone. Alright, so yeah, you guys will have this file as well. So you've got the condor right in there, got the little guy here. Nothing crazy. We just need 1 by 1. I have no idea how big this is supposed to be. Yeah, we're just gonna trim it down. Trim 0. A black outline around it, make sure that's still there. Bam, centered. Golden. Got a condor, got an eggplant. Now we need not an extra background, but rooms. We're going to take our main room with all this stuff. I think there is a file for just like a template background. You could use that. I don't remember, but I'm just going to use this one. Room, intro, keep all that jazz the same. One thing we need to do is delete all of our collision boxes because we just straight up don't need them. I don't know if the clouds are... well, at least I don't remember. I didn't pay much attention if the clouds are there for the actual intro when it flies up, but I guess ours are going to have some clouds. And this part's a little bit tedious. Get rid of all them topies as well. We're not going to need nothing in this game. Bloop, 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 bloop. I'm just keeping these here because we want it to look like the correct map. So get that, get your X at 128, snag yourself a condor. Oh, I didn't make the object yet. Object, enemies, now, object, condor. Give him that young sprite. Now we can come into here, enemies, condor, slap this. Yeah, that's not right. Why would... Oh, schnack. Come on, Steven. Ah. Alright, hold up. My bad, I stole... Fuck! I stole a block. And I gotta... Oh, God. Why aren't you doing it? Oh, how did that change? Stop it. Good. My bad. 128. Get back to our... Condor, good, we've got him. I'm just gonna start him there. It doesn't, I don't know if it matters too much. Neat, whoa, not neat. Whoa, double not neat, come back. Intro, it's gotta be the middle option. View, we've gotta start down at the bottom still, so that's good. Change this guy over to our condor, make this -1. We want the camera to follow him at the correct speed. Now in our condor, we are going to make it a create event. Initialize this fat bird. Image speed is equal to, I think 0.2 is what I landed on in testing, and it worked just fine. We're going to add an alarm. We're not going to, I don't know, I'm doing it in this order, but we will. Start the climb. Good old Miley Cyrus style. Room. Go to next. I think that is everything we need there. Now our step event. We just got to get this bird to fly up. I'm not even going to give him a flight variable because it doesn't matter. And we can just do it easily. Say if y is greater than, I think I went to like 38 or 42, or 32 or 48. Either of those should work. But if we're there, we're going to say y minus equals 4. I think 4 is the speed that we chose. Else if, spelling things correctly. Let me see. Oh yeah, alarm 0 is less than 0, meaning that the alarm hasn't been triggered yet. Then we're going to set our alarm 0 to 60, so 30 frames a second. We're going to have it delay for 2 seconds and then bring us into the game. Oh, and here we're going to do an image speed equal to 0 because the condor flies up, he just stops flying, looks kind of ridiculous. Scene changes. Now let's see if I pulled that off in one try. First, all right, we did that. This could be the shortest video so far, so apologize for giving you guys a whole another notification for that. Can we get it? Come on. There we go. Hit it. Oh, I don't have my controller plugged in. I don't feel like getting the controller, so let's do this real quick. No. I'm just going to go into the controller object step here where when we're in the menu and we're going to go to the next, I'm just going to be keyboard shortcut, keyboard check, pressed, enter, room go to next. Room go to next. Sorry, wasting time. Now you can just hit enter, we'll move on. Fly that bird at the top. I forgot the eggplant. Let's test out his flight first and then we'll get done with this. I forgot 2 things. We're all over the place today. I'm just making ways to waste time. But I want to see. Bird flies, he's behind all these. That's the second thing I forgot. But he's going to fly up to the top. Oh, the clouds move. I forgot to turn those off. I like that. He stops there. 2 seconds later, we're in our game. Don't have my controller, so I can't play it at the moment. Let's change 2 things about this condor. For starts, I want him in front of everything. I'm just going to give him a 999 on the negative. Doesn't really matter. I'm going to add a draw event, just as long as that number is lower than anything else being drawn. Now we're going to draw that bird. We're going to do a draw self. Now we might be using, well, I'm pretty sure we're going to be using this bird when we're in the actual game as well. We're going to do an if room is equal to room, did I capitalize it? Intro. It's RM, capitalize intro. Then we're going to draw sprite, which is our sprite eggplant, subimage 0 at our x, and then I would say y plus sprite height. Could just type in, I think it's 18. It's just that the bird height and the eggplant height are the same size and they're both centered in origin, and I want it exactly 1 height down. So using sprite height, put it in that magic number if you want. Your call, my guy. Now we should be done. The eggplant will be drawn at the same depth because it's not its own object. It is just a sprite rendering of this guy. So nothing else should really change. But we're in our initial screen. Fly that eggplant up to the top at a speed that I'm content with. We get to the top. He pauses with them big old wings out. Next game. I know that one was super short. My bad. Should have put it in the last one. But I don't know why I thought it might take longer than this one. Sometimes there's just, you open a can of worms that you didn't expect. This one, I should have just expected it to be as easy as it was. We got an intro screen. It's pretty easy to do intros like this. It's pretty easy to do little cutscenes by just moving to a new map or a new room, handle everything there on its own, and then move back or on to whatever the next room is. Hope you enjoy that. Enjoy the fuck out of your day.